Forget what you think you know. Vampires exist. My name is Blade. I was born half human, half vampire. They call me the Daywalker.
Daywalker. I studied Detroit urban survival training. Your sword can't hurt me. Intelligent options will increase my survivability, Blade.
He needs some milk!
You're supposed to be using a gun, so I can disarm you. Yes. Wait, is that striker fire or hammer fire? Wait.
Ah! Okay, I'm reloaded.
Gotta feed the piranhas. They piranhas. If you try to come to my house, they'll bite you in the butt. Okay, so they're not really piranhas, they're just Oscars, but shout out to all the fish sandwiches, man. TKM family, man, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mike, and I'm bringing some more of that pressure. We are on the road to 7,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, man. Join the TKM family and let's get it. I got the best PX9, period. The best one on YouTube. There ain't nobody touching my PX9. Nobody. If you think somebody else got a better PX9, who? Man, let's get into this gun, bro. This is none other. Whoa. We are fully monetized now. And listen, this gun is clear. I am in a safe and controlled environment. I am professional. So YouTube, please don't demonetize this video, man. I need them coins, man. Alright, so back to this pressure content. So yeah, we got that Palmetto State Armory PX9. The best one on YouTube by far. Ain't nobody messing with it. Like, see me. And it comes with the clear ETS mag. When have you ever seen this? Boom. I got a Glock mag coupler on the ETS mag, bro. Come. When have you ever seen this before on YouTube, bro? Never. I'm bringing you exclusive content, so subscribe right now, my boy. These are YouTube compliant. If you know, you know. Look how they look when they go in the gun, bro. Look, check this out. Quick reload. Bam. Bam. Come on, man. Who else you know got something like this? This is a pistol, so it does have a SB tactical pistol brakes on it. I got that big boy hollow sun up top with the solar panel backup joints. I do have some polymer pop-up front and rear sights. These are close quarter pop-up sights. They real nice. I mean, they ain't top of the line or anything, but they cool. They get the job done, you feel me? Next thing I got on here, I wanted a compact light on here. That's it right there, boom. Compact, real nice little pistol light. Trigger, 800 lumens, and it's rechargeable. It has a quick detach mount on it, so I can take it on and off real easily. Charge it up real quick, put it back on. I don't have to worry about changing out no batteries, nothing, or unscrewing anything. It's real simple and easy. Next thing I got on here, I got this mag pull hand stop because the barrel is so short. When I'm shooting, I just want to make sure I don't put my hand too far close to the muzzle, because this thing does get hot. And for the ATF police people who think they know everything, this is not illegal, okay? This is not a vertical grip. This is the hand stop. It's legal, bro. Y'all be in the comments, you're going to jail. That's illegal. You can't have a vertical grip on a pistol. The FBI, ATF, CIA, LGBTQ, everybody's watching you. You're going to jail. It's legal, dude. Like, do your research. It's a mag pull hand stop, okay? Of course, this PX9 is chambered in 9mm. So man, I've been sitting on this hollow sun for a few months now. I haven't even zeroed this thing in. So today I gotta go to the range. Gotta make sure the thing is on point, because this is my primary home defense right here, man. And to be honest with you, man, I'm just ready to slang some iron. I'm ready to go shoot. No more talking, man. Let's go ahead and just get to the range. I already know what it is. PX9 by Palmetto State Armory, and I'm going to be zeroing in this hollow sun. People always seem to ask, do I trust these ETS mags? So today will be the day that I silence everyone who's ever hated on the ETS mag. I'm going to show you if these are reliable or not, and you form your own opinion. See how we going? So I gotta make my adjustments to bring the bullets over this way and up a bit. I'm shooting about right here. This is where I'm aiming. But as we can see so far, no jams. Hope we can keep it up. So I think I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit higher. I think I was aiming like right here. It's 3 to the head. Three to the head, 3 to the body. So I'm kind of confident with my zero. So I'm gonna be aiming for this target right here at 40 feet. Still going strong. ETS mags, no jams so far. Alright, now if I hit this target, y'all gotta give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit it, give me a thumbs up. Now you see how small this is. This is my hand. So I got about 8 or 9 rounds left in this first mag. I'm gonna just empty him in his body now. Not one malfunction off this first mag. It's ETS. Everybody hates on these for some reason. So we're going over to the clear one this time. I'm going for straight headshots. So I already got 3 down there. Let's see if I can get some more. Halfway through, the mag didn't jam yet. Y'all see it? I'm surgical, man. Let's put it back down there. So that's 60 rounds in with dual ETS mag. Not one malfunction. Like I said, man, I've been using these for a minute. Never had one issue with it. I don't know why y'all mags be jamming when y'all using one of your Glocks. You might need to clean it, man. Just clean your Glock. Come on, man. No chance. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm definitely gonna give this a 12. Gotta give it a 12. And people say, do I trust my life with these ETS mags? I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Yes, I do. This is my home defense. I trust these. And this hollow sign? Pressure.
Okay, I'm reloaded.